This model M7D5M-POE is a 5 megapixels HD dome camera. The size of video and image maximum is 2592 by 1944 pixels. This demonstration is illustrating how to do a setup in the hardware before the installation. Connecting an Ethernet cable to a PoE switch. The back of the camera has 3 holes for the screws installing on the wall or ceiling. And there is a built-in microphone on the camera. In the cable harness, it is a power 12 volts DC connector. It is a reset button. It is an RJ45 connector. Connect it to the Ethernet cable. The green indicator light is up. Now a hardware setup is completed.